Welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to be learn about JTable in Java. JTable is used to display the data in the tabular form, and it is a component of rows and column. Here I just import a library which is javax.swing, and now public class JTable, and here I just create a variable which is f and table and JTable. Okay, so this is the method here, and f which is equal to new and j frame. Okay, now string data, and then this is the array size and the data of the table which is 1012, and then name which is Fayaz. So this is ID number, then Fayaz, and then the amount, so which is 68000. So yes, for time. Now here I just write ID number 1013, and then I just write Khan, and then salary. So salary is 8 lakh. Okay, and after that I just define one another table which is the ID of 5232, and then we have the name which is Joy, and the salary here is this figure. Okay, now, and yes, this one. So I just close this code here, and now I just write string colon, and the array size of column which is equal to, and then here I just define ID, name, and salary. Okay, and now J table, and J table GT which is equal to new J table, and then I just write data dot data, and sorry, data dot, sorry, it's data, and data, first one I just write data and colon. Okay, and now I just write gt dot set boundaries, and which is 30, 40, and 200 and 300, which is height. J scroll pan, which is sp is equal to new j scroll pan. Okay, and I just pass an ob parameters which is gt. So JT is the Java table, and sp object is the scroll pan. Now f dot add, and then the parameter of this is scroll pan sp, and f dot set size. Okay, so 300 and then 400. Now f dot set visible which is true. Okay, and now public static void main, and then strings arguments, and new, and the name of the table. Okay, so our code is completed here. So first of all, I just do import a library of java x.swing, and then I just create the variables for jframe, which is the name of app. Then I just create the method of this class, and then f, which is equal to new jframe. So I just create an object and then insert a data, which is the string here. So this is a multi-dimensional array, and string colon and the id, name and salary, and JTable gt, which is equal to new table and data and the columns here. Now set boundaries, scroll panel and the object to the scroll panel, and new scroll pan, and I just pass the parameter which is gt, this one, this one. So f dot add sp, so this is the parameters of this scroll panel, and then I just set the size for frame, and I just add this scroll pan in this frame. At the last I just visible this, and then create the new method for this class. So I just run this code here, so you can see the data in the table form, which is id 1012 Fayaz, and this is the salary range. And you can see the Han and the salary and the id of Han, and then at the last it is Joe. So this is JTable in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.